Do a quick session on how to set up an MCP. First step is you need a folder that you're going to be running your Claude from. So I've picked my development folder. I'm just going to make a directory MCP test. It's just an empty folder with nothing in it right now. Next thing is we're going to create a project in Vibe Time Tracker. Here's our project section. New project. We're not going to be making one from a template. If we were building something else, we might use the template system, but we're not. We're just going to make a blank project. I'm going to call it MCP test. You got to create a project first before you can use it as an agent managed project. Once you create that, so we got to re-edit it. Here's my MCP test we just created. Looks like I've got several in here. You would click Agent Managed at this point. That's where it tells you this is how you connect Claude code, etc. to it. Hit this I button. Kind of talks you through all this stuff here. The next thing you do is you choose a project folder. And we're going to install. Looks like I've already done it. I picked the wrong project. This one's already been done. Our previous project, let's try this one. I have too many MCP tests. Choose project, goes out, find the folder, MCP test folder, open. You have options to download the zip and do it yourself or install it for you. I'm going to pick install it for you. It's assuming that you have installed the connector to start with, which is right here. If you're going to install the connector, I'm going to do a reinstall. You click here and run install from your terminal. It copies to your clipboard. And from there, you come over here and you hit paste. And what it's going to do is create a local MCP server for you. You can look close at this. There's nothing crazy here, but it creates a local bind folder to run under your local. It doesn't touch your main setup at all. Hit return. It's installed the agent connector. Then once you're in here, I'm going to pick the folder I want installed in, which is this MCP test. Click install it for me. I'm lazy. You can pick everything. You can leave it the same. It takes care of it all for you. Hit install. It's installed. Now if we look over here at this, you'll see it's got agents and a Claude file. At this point, you're done. Once you save changes, it'll have a little icon up here. Well, it should have had an icon. Little bug. Click off that. Back to projects. Now it's got a little star here indicating that it's a agent managed. This filter here shows you all the agent managed projects you have. So from here, all I have to do is fire up a Claude code session and connect it. Here's to Claude. It's a blank Claude. There's nothing here. There's the Claude MD file that's here. It's very simple. Let's ask Claude to read that. and it's going to go examine it and explain it to us. And see, it pretty much talks about the Vibe Time Tracker workflow. I'm going to have it do a test. I need to do a Vibe Time Tracker demo. I need to bind to the project, create a task group called MCP test, create 5 tasks, pause between each, and we're going to walk it through its different statuses from to do, in progress, to testing, to done. And you're going to pause for 1 second between those. And away we go. First thing it's going to do is connect to the Vibe Time Tracker. Hopefully. It's a little slow today. There we go. Next thing, it should connect to the project. We are slow today. There we go. Now it's binding to the group. Calling Vibe Time Tracker. You see the MCP test pop here. Click it. It's going to pop into this group area. See it? Now it's firing up the MCP, building the tasks. And over here we have it working. Built all those tasks. That test is blocked. It's actually in progress. Let's test it. There we go. It's wrong. There's a testing status. Probably should have used Sonic for this. It'd been faster. There we go. And now it's done. And that's your basic setup.